Hello, I am back to help you with a tech problem or solution, whatever you want to call it, making your life easier. Today with PipeDrive. PipeDrive by far has been one of my most favorite CRMs. It's easy to use, but sometimes the buttons move around on you. So today I'm going to show you how to create a new pipeline so you can create a product and get paid and create an invoice. And so, as you can see right here, these are deals essentially, and then these columns here are pipelines. You need to create a new pipeline. So you want to go up to the top right. This is all of the different stages of the pipeline. You don't need to see that. You're going to hit this drop down arrow and hit all the way at the bottom, new pipeline. It's going to default with a bunch of stages, and you just need to manipulate this yourself. And so I don't need this stage, so I'm going to delete it. Demo schedule proposal made. We'll do meeting. We don't need it all in cap. Meeting proposal sent. And then we're going to change this to contract signed, paid. And then I'm going to do one more stage, and I'm just going to do lost. And I'm going to save changes. Uh-oh, I needed to rename this. So I'm going to name this to partner sponsorships. So make sure that you rename it so you can search for it easily. So now this pipeline is created, and I have a lead already, and so I'm going to add them. Ooh, bless me. I'm going to add them to this pipeline here. And once they're added, you can kind of move them along their journey. And so that is how you make a new pipeline. Hope this helped. I hope this helped. Oh my goodness.